You've been asking for a skincare routine that actually works, right? Well, let me introduce you to a routine I swear by. The COSRX Advanced Snail Complete Routine. This routine is amazing for anyone dealing with dullness, dryness, or even acne marks. And here's the best part, it is super simple to follow. So let's go step by step so you can get the best results. Step 1. Cleanser. We start with the Snail Mucin Gel Cleanser. This cleanser is amazing for gently removing dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping your skin. It's formulated with Snail Mucin, which hydrates and soothes while cleansing. Perfect for mornings and nights. Take a pea-sized amount and lather it up with water until it forms a light foam. Massage it onto your face in circular motions, focusing on the areas like your T-zone around your nose. Rinse it with lukewarm water to avoid drying out your skin. Step 2. Sheet Mask. Next up is the Advanced Snail Mucin Power Sheet Mask. This is a perfect step for days when your skin feels extra dry or dull, like after a long day or before a big event. After cleansing, apply the mask to your dry face. Smooth it out to ensure it fits well and then sit back and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you remove it, gently pat the leftover essence into your skin. Don't rinse it off. If you use the sheet mask, you can skip the next step, the Snail 96 Mucin Essence, and go straight to the moisturizer. The sheet mask already provides enough hydration and repair for that day. Step 3. Essence. Now, if you're not using the sheet mask, this step is essential. The Snail 96 Mucin is the ultimate multitasker. It repairs your skin barrier, fades acne scars, soothes redness, and gives your skin a glass-like glow. Take 1 to 2 palms, rub it between your hands, and gently press it onto your skin. Focus on the area that needs extra love, like acne marks or dull spots. Let it absorb completely before moving to the next step. If you're dealing with dryness or rough texture, layer the essence twice for extra hydration and repair. Step 4. Moisturizer. Finally, we seal in everything in with the Snail 92 All-in-One Cream, my favorite. This moisturizer is lightweight but super hydrating, so it works for all skin types, even oily skin. Yes. Scoop out a small amount, dot into your face, and spread it evenly. Don't forget your neck, it needs hydration too. This routine is a skincare powerhouse because Snail Mucin is packed with hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and peptides, all naturally occurring in snail secretion. These ingredients work together to hydrate, repair, and brighten your skin. And that's it, the COSRX Advanced Snail Complete Glow Routine is easy, effective, and such a treat for your skin. If you've been looking for a routine that delivers real results, this is the one for you to try. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried these products or if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.